Hello students, let us begin. Question number 8. If x equals to a cos t plus log tan t by 2 and y equals to a sin t, find the value of dy by dx. Now let's have again find its derivative. First of all, we have to find the derivative of x dx by dt. Now see, before the derivative, I want to separate these this a with cos t and a with log tan 2t by 2. I am going to multiply it, a cos t plus a log tan t by 2. So let's take its derivative now. The derivative of a cos t is minus a sin t, and the derivative of this, a is a constant, put it this in the outside of a bracket and d by dt of log tan t by 2. Now we have to take the derivative of log tan t by 2. So how to get it? Minus a sin t as it is, and you know that the derivative of log function is 1 by function, means 1 by tan t by 2 into derivative of function is tan x by 2. क्योंकि अगर x के अलावा जो भी हमें यहाँ पर मिलेगा हमें उसका डेरिवेटिव दोबारा से लेना ही पड़ेगा. So it becomes a cot tan by 2 and the derivative of tan by 2, tan x by, not x, it is t by 2. Tan t by 2 is secant square t by 2 into 1 by 2. So this is the value of dx upon dt. Secant is 1 by cos. Let us check whether it is cancelled or not. I am again going to convert cot into cos t by 2 upon sin t by 2. And secant square I am going to convert in 1 upon cos square t by 2. You can check, you can see cos will be cancelled out and this 1 by 2 I am going to put it here. So its final answer is minus a sin t plus a by 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. Now students, what is 2 sin theta cos theta? It is theta. 2 sin theta cos theta. It becomes the value of sin t. 1 upon 2 sin t. I am writing it here. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta and sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So the value is dx by dt is this. Now we are going to find dy by dt. But before dy by dt, I need y. What is y? Let us check what is the value of y. Y equals to a sin t. So it's going to be very simple. It's a simple trigonometric function. Y equals to a sin t and its derivative will be a cos t. So let's find the value of now dy by dx. Let us find dy by dx. Dy by dx equals to dy by dt into dt by dx. Now what is dy by dt? A cos t. And what is dt by dx? We have to take its reciprocal if I want to put the value of dt by dx. So let's take its reciprocal, but before reciprocal we need to take its LCM. है ना, ऐसे तो हम reciprocal नहीं ले सकते. Let us take its LCM. It becomes minus 2a sin square t plus a upon 2 sin t. So this is the value of dx upon dt and we have to put the value of dt upon dx. तो ये हम put करेंगे 2 sin t upon a, take a as common, 1 minus 2 sin square t. 1 minus 2 sin square t. Now again students, I have 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. Means it becomes a into sin 2t upon a into, and 1 minus 2 sin square t is cos 2t. So a cancel, sin upon cos is cos, not cos, it is cos 2t. So answer is dy by dx equals to cot 2t. So this is your answer. Now students, let us do question number 11. Again we have x equals to square root of sin inverse t and y equals to square root of a cos inverse t. So we have to find the value of dy by dx equals to minus y upon x. So again we have parametric function, x is a function of t, y is a function of t. First of all we need to find the dx by dt. So please write down x equals to a raised to power sin inverse. देखो a की power है, the whole power is 1 by 2. तो इस whole power को हम किस तरह से adjust करेंगे? I think we should take here a log. You can take a log here. और अगर आप ध्यान से देखो तो ये जो पावर है साइन इनवर्स और ये 1 by 2 ये आपस में मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है. तो इसको अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई की फॉर्म में लिख दें तो दैट विल बी मोर कन्वीनियंट फॉर अस. x इक्वल्स टू a रेज टू पावर साइन इनवर्स t अपॉन 2, और यू कैन राइट इट एज ऑल्सो a रेज टू पावर 1 by 2 साइन इनवर्स t. तो अब किसी कांस्टेंट की पावर फंक्शन है तो it's better to take logarithm on both sides. I am taking logarithm on both sides, log sin inverse t upon 2. After taking the logarithm, what will I get? Log x equals to sin inverse t upon 2 log a. Now log a is a constant quantity and we are to take its derivative. So how to take its derivative? Log a is a constant quantity. I can also write it as log a into sin inverse t upon 2. So log x, take its derivative, log x का derivative 1 by x into dx by dt, because we are taking differentiation with respect to t. Log a is constant, तो इसको as it is रखेंगे. 1 by 2 is also constant. d by dt of sin inverse t. So let's take its differentiation of inverse trigonometric function. We will get 1 by x dx upon dt log a upon 2, और इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या आएगा? 1 upon square root of 1 minus t square. Overall the derivative of x with respect to t is x into log a upon 2 square root of 1 minus t square. Now see student, what was the value of x? X was actually square root of a sin a raised to power sin inverse t. I am going to put the value of x here. Let us put the value of x here. What will we get? Square root of a raised to power sin inverse t into log a upon 2 square root of 1 minus t square. तो ये हमारे पास जो वैल्यू आई है वो आई है dx by dt की. Now we have to find the value of dy by dt. So let us find the dy by dt. So same way we have done it before. I am taking y and converting the square root in 1 by 2. So y equals to this, taking log on both sides. After taking log, we will get log y equals to 1 by 2 cos inverse t into log a. तो log a तो आपकी कांस्टेंट क्वांटिटी है, तो y का डेरिवेटिव लेते हैं. dy by dt equals to log a is कांस्टेंट क्वांटिटी, 2 भी कांस्टेंट है. cot इनवर्स का डिफरेंशिएशन -1 अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस टी स्क्वायर. तो यहाँ से हमें dy by dx जो मिला है वो है y इंटू लॉग a अपॉन 2 इंटू -1 अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस टी स्क्वायर. सो लेट अस फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ, जो भी हमें उन्होंने बोला है पुट करने के लिए या प्रूव करने के लिए, वी आर टू फाइंड dy by dx. तो dy by dx इज dy by dt, यहाँ पे t आएगा, सॉरी, dy by dt into dt by dx. So let us find the value, let us put the value of dy by dt. dy by dt is y log a into minus 1 upon square root of minus t square upon 2. और dx by dt की अगर हम वैल्यू देखें, प्रीवियसली वी हैव डन, तो हम ये पुट करेंगे, और मुझे लग रहा है कि यहाँ पे इसको x ही रहने दो, इसको पुट मत करो, क्योंकि हमने इस x को रिप्लेस किया था. आई एम गोइंग टू पुट दिस वैल्यू. ऑलरेडी we need answer in x and y, तो हम यहाँ पर x को पुट नहीं करेंगे. सो ये था हमारे पास, उसका रेसिप्रोकल लेना है. रेसिप्रोकल लिया तो 1 माइनस टी स्क्वायर अपॉन एक्स लॉग ए, और ये 2 भी यहाँ पर आएगा. तो ये सारी क्वांटिटी आपकी कैंसिल हो जाएगी, log a, तो हमारे पास जो बचेगा that will be only dy by dx equals to minus y upon x. So this was a proving question, hence proved. So I hope now you are able to do exercise 5.6. Thank you students.